Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Today is not a vlog, so that's exciting. I've been watching dorm haul videos since like my freshman year of high school, so the fact that I'm making one now is a little bit crazy. So I filmed a couple of vlogs of me going shopping for all these things. I'll have those vlogs linked down below in case you want to go watch them. But otherwise today I just want to do a, I was going to say a quick haul, but it's not really going to be quick because I have a ton of stuff. I'm just going to try to like fly through it all. Obviously, I'm kind of like moving away-ish, so there's gonna be a lot. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm also gonna be filming a move-in vlog and a dorm tour once my whole room is finished, so stay tuned for those. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe down below too. Sorry about like the boring background. All of the things that I've collectively bought for my dorm has been sitting in a corner of my mom's paint room. I'll insert a video. And I didn't really want to move it all downstairs just to film this video and move it all back up. I'm gonna start with all my bedding things I've gotten because it's definitely like the cutest part. So at Target, I got this big comforter. It's just like a really soft material. It's blue. It's pretty basic looking because all of my pillows are kind of like obnoxious, so I didn't want like an obnoxious comforter and obnoxious pillows. It was only like $30, which is really nice. If you're going to college and you need stuff for your dorm, go to TJ Maxx because they had so many nice things there and they were not expensive at all. My sheets, I got these just simple gray ones, or like the jersey sheets, so they're really soft. But because I'm a little bit more high maintenance, I wanted my pillow to be pink, so I bought a regular pillowcase in this color. As for my pillows, I got this like big gold one. My mom picked this one out and I absolutely love it. I think it's so pretty. And then I got this really long, I think this is considered a body pillow, I'm not really sure. But this one I thought would be fun because it just like ties in all the colors of my room together. And then of course I got this really big fuzzy one and just... I also got this like creamy white beaded one and I absolutely love it. As long as my bed's cute, then nothing else matters. When I was at TJ Maxx shopping, I also found this big... what do you even call this? Y'all can see what it looks like, but it's really big. It just has these little tassel things on the bottom. And what I like about it is these colors are like the same that are on that pillow that I showed y'all earlier. So I think I'm just gonna hang this above my bed. I really like it and it wasn't that expensive. It was only like $15, I think. Also for my wall, I ordered this big tapestry from Amazon. It hasn't come in yet, but it's just like a blue watercolor map of the world. I also bought this pillow at TJ Maxx for my bed. I also picked up this blanket to throw on top of my bed. It's really soft, just like a little purple marble pattern. From Amazon, I also ordered this big mattress topper because even though I've never been to college yet, I know that the beds are going to be really uncomfy, so this will make it better. This one's from a brand called Linen Spa. I just bought this one because it had really nice reviews and it wasn't like hella expensive, so I'm hoping that this one's good. It's all like wrapped up and sealed in plastic and everything, so I don't want to open it yet. I got these towels from a friend of mine at my graduation party and they have like my name, I can never say this word, embroidered. They have my name on them. So I picked up a couple more towels from TJ Maxx that kind of just like went with that color, so I just got these gray ones. I also got these super bright pink hangers and these gray ones too. I couldn't find a shower caddy at Target or TJ Maxx, so I ordered this one on Amazon. Pretty basic, not very fun. I got this little bedside pocket from Amazon. I don't explain anything very well, so I'll insert a picture, but this will just be really useful to stick like a water bottle or a phone or a laptop in while I'm just chilling in my bed. I forgot to mention this at the start of the video, but I'm going to I'm going to be attending the University of Texas at Dallas. I move in August 15th, so it's very soon, a couple weeks. All the dorms are really nice for freshmen. They're all suites, so I have my own room, and then I share a bathroom with 2 other girls, and then we have a little living room area space. Okay, I have a few boring things coming up, so sorry guys. I bought this little clippy fan to clip on my bed for when I'm hot. So more exciting stuff. I got 2 extension cords. I bought a couple of school supplies. I'm not gonna buy most of it until after I start. Pens and pencils and whiteout and command hooks, more pens, highlighters. Okay, I'm making a mess. These are my favorite pens ever to take notes with. And of course everybody knows that these are the best. I bought more hangers for my pants. I have a good amount of closet space in my dorm, which I really appreciate because I know that's very rare for college kids. I also bought a Brita. I got some Febreze, some nail polish remover, some Aquaphor Band-Aids. I'm just gonna go Midol, Vaseline, eyelashes. Yes, I will be rushing. I'm really excited. I'll film like a get ready with me bid day or something. Cotton balls, loofah, cotton rounds, Tylenol. I found this sign that I can hang up on my wall to like clip things to. I don't really know if I'll use it, but I thought it was really cute maybe to put next to all the pictures that I'll hang up. I had to get a hamper for all my dirty clothes. This is the same one that I have now, but white. Some extra filters from Brita. So my mom picked out organic laundry detergent and these little jar sheets that smell really good. Organic all-purpose cleaner and Clorox wipes. I can't wait to clean the toilet and the floors and clean my sheets. And I also got this little organizer to hang up on the closet rack for all of my shoes because otherwise they would end up all over the floor. More eyelashes. Neosporin. I also bought some more razor blades. My mom usually buys these, so I just like discovered how expensive they are. Like this was $20. That's ridiculous. I bought this little power strip cord thing. And last but not least, I forgot about this. I got a huge door mirror. So that is everything I have to include in this haul. There's quite a few things I need to get after I move in. I know it's very long. I'll try to edit it and make it as short as I can. My card got full right as I was saying what I was saying. That's kind of rude. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Subscribe down below if you want to see my future college videos. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you probably in my next vlog. Bye guys.
Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands, your bones. Loose up, we break the scene.